Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I came to National Stadium, Surulere, to make a video on this bike. Unfortunately, I didn't know that there are going to be lots of people here today. The stadium is fully packed with people who are learning how to ride motorcycles, people who are exercising, learning how to ride bicycles, socializing and all of that. I can't record any videos. However, as a content creator, I'm not going to go back home empty-handed. I'm going to try to make a video regardless. So today I realized something, that just because you plan something, just because something went right all in your head, doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to go well in the real world physically. So you have to learn how to improvise. Just figure out what you're going to do on the fly, or realize that maybe you just have to come back and shoot a different video. This lesson is not only specific to this video, it's also across different aspects of life. You know, sometimes just because you plan something doesn't mean it's going to go according to plan, and just because it doesn't go according to plan doesn't mean you should pack up and go home. Content creation is not only about making videos, it's also about planning, also about strategizing and doing a few other things that a lot of people wouldn't do. You have to stand out and make videos for yourself. You know, it's not easy actually, but with time and practice you get used to it. You just have to keep pushing and, you know, doing it. In my opinion, left to me, I'd have just gone home. I'd have just gone home and said I'll shoot another day, but regardless, I have to make a video today. I left my house to make a video and I'm going to make that video. Whatever people think of the video, whether the video doesn't do well or the video does well, in my mind I know at least I made a video, I put a video out there, and you know, in a few years I remember today as the day that I came to shoot, but I couldn't shoot because of music and noise and all that. But regardless, I made a video.
Lift me up, lift me up to the skyline post. Ride the rush, feel the endless pull. Every frame, every spark burns into my.
So even though that I can't shoot today, it's still a good opportunity for me to scout the location, figure out where I want to shoot next time I come, and then plan my shots. And just because I can't shoot for YouTube today doesn't mean I can't shoot at all. I use my drone to get some drone shots of the bike. I got some still images, some still sliding shots of the bike, which I will use for different videos. So at least today is not going to be a complete waste. I'm just trying to take you guys behind the scenes so that you guys can see. I'm trying to take you guys behind the scenes so that you guys can see what it takes to make a YouTube video, right? A lot of times things don't go as according to plan. You just have to improvise and, you know, be creative, because at the end of the day you are a creator.
Feel it. It came in a letter from my lover yesterday. He had just left town, but he said he could hear it. The town he came from had a very small population, and every house looked the same.
So while I was flying my drone, I realized that on top of if you fly your drone over a stadium, because of the way the stadium is, you know, created, there's a lot of upwind. So when I was flying the drone over the stadium, the controller was telling me that it's very windy, so I should be cautious with my flying and all of that. I mean, it's something that I could have learned on a different day, but I learned it today, even though I couldn't make a video today, and I just decided to shoot that video today. So at least next time I come, I know that either I need to charge my drone fully before I fly over the Stadium Bowl, or I don't even fly over the Stadium Bowl at all, because when you're flying your drone over the Stadium Bowl and it's struggling with that wind, it uses a lot of battery. When I was flying over the drone over the stadium, I think I had about 50% left. I just flew over the stadium and it gave me that warning. I came back. By the time I came back, the battery was already on 20-something%. So, you know, it zaps a lot of battery when your drone is trying to fight against the wind. But, you know, you learn every day, and you guys can learn this one for free, even though you didn't have to experience almost losing your drone.
Where the streetlights would glow, but now all that's left is the memories flow. He said he'd return with a song in his heart to bring back the music to make a new start. Music, it goes. Once upon a time, forever ago, the song was played and all the kids ran around the square.
Today has made me realize something about YouTube. It's not about the number of videos that you can upload. It's about making videos that you are happy that you made. Videos that when you look at videos, you know, 5 months later, 5 years later, you are happy that you made that video. I could have easily gone home today and decided that, you know, I couldn't shoot a video because the conditions were not right for the video and all of that, but still I just had to push through and force myself to make a video. Even though today's video is why I couldn't make a video, I still made a video about that. So if you're a creator and you're struggling with making videos because things are always popping up every time you decide to make a video, I think you should just make a video regardless. Even if the video is about telling your fans or your viewers that you couldn't make a video because of this particular reason, you still have to make the video regardless. So I'm done with my videos today. I'll start heading back. I'll just show you guys a POV ride of the stadium as I'm riding around the stadium, and then I'll head out, and then that'll be the end of the video. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I drop videos like this. And if you're already subscribed, drop a comment in the comment section of the video. Let me know what you think about today's video.
So here's to the music that never will fade. A bond with the past that the future is made. When boy take flight, let your drone tell the tale. With gold going in, let your vision set sail. The script comes alive with each beat that we share. 7 years of waiting now answered by air. WF and let the world see your art. The music's our spirit, it lives in your heart.
Easy. Careful, bro. So this is National Stadium. I'm heading out. Yeah, here if you come here on a bike, you don't pay any money for parking or entrance or anything. So how I wish I could make a video today, man. I really wanted to make a few videos today. Alright, so we're heading out of National Stadium. We're heading towards Agege. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here.